to transfer money from your Pluxee card to your bank account. 1. Open the Pluxee app, formerly Sodexo, on your phone and check your available balance. 2. Note that Pluxee officially doesn't allow direct transfers from your card to a bank account, as it's meant for specific purchases like food, groceries, and partner merchants. 3. However, you can use your balance indirectly. For example, use your Pluxee card to buy digital gift cards or vouchers like Gcash, PayMaya, or bank top-up cards from Pluxee partner stores. 4. Redeem those vouchers in your chosen wallet or platform to add funds to your bank linked account. 5. Alternatively, you can use your Pluxee card to purchase items or load and resell them to someone for cash, which you can then deposit to your bank. 6. The safest approach is to use Pluxee Balance for eligible purchases or official gift cards that can be redeemed for money within secure apps.